Hello, how are you, my juniors too? So here we are, so to start with the topic, the grammar topic in Unit 5 from your books, right? So let's start. Let's start with the story, right, about the Simpsons, okay? Here I have some pictures and I'm going to tell you a story. So, last Saturday, the Simpsons were at home and they decided to invite Patty and Selma, to have dinner, right? They decided to invite Patty and Selma to have dinner. So, Marge vacuumed the floor, and tidied the room. Bart cleaned the entrance of the house. Bart cleaned the entrance of the house. Homer fixed or repaired the roof. Fixed or repaired the roof. And Bart helped him. Homer cooked dinner. Right? Some minutes later, Selma, and Patty arrived and they talked for a long time, remembering when they were younger, right? Then they shared a delicious meal, and when they finished eating, Lisa played the saxophone. After that, they danced a lot and they listened to music. Finally, when the meal finished, Homer washed the dishes, right? So now, let's write the story and see what these verbs, these actions have in common, right? Let's go. So here we have the story, written down, some parts of the story. So let's pay attention, let's focus on the verbs, right? So first of all, the story started last Saturday. So if we are talking about last Saturday, we are talking in the past, right? So for example, here we have decided to invite Patty to have dinner. So Marge vacuumed the floor and tidied the room. Bart cleaned the entrance. Homer fixed or repaired the roof, and Bart helped him. Homer cooked dinner. Selma and Patty arrived and they talked for a long time, remembering moments when they were younger. They shared a delicious meal, and when they finished eating, Lisa played the saxophone. After that, they danced a lot and they listened to music. Finally, when the meal finished, Homer washed the dishes. So, what do these verbs have in common? That all of them are in the past and they are regular verbs. So, first of all these sentences are in the positive form, yes, in the affirmative form. Here we don't have negative forms and we don't have questions, right? So we are working just with the positive sentences. And if you pay attention, all the verbs are regular. In the past, with regular verbs, what we do is to add two letters to the verb. For example, decide finishes in E, so we only add D. So, here I have some of the verbs I used in the story of The Simpsons, right? And I have the list, yes, but here the verbs are in the infinitive form, yes, and we have to pass them to the past simple. How do we form? We have to add two letters, ed, right? Because this is in the past simple, yes, and all these verbs are regular verbs. Regular verbs, right? And remember that we use these verbs, the ones that we will transform, only in the positive sentences, right? So only in the positive sentences. So decide, yes, is a verb that has the letter E. So to pass this to the past simple, we only add D, only, because the E is already there. The same happens, for example, in share, right? In the past, we say shared, yes, we add only one D. The same happens here with arrive, arrived, yes, is the past. Here we have another one, dance, yes, we have the E, so we add the D only, and that's all. To all the other verbs, we add ed, in this case because they have the E. So, vacuumed in the past, yes, vacuumed. Tidy, let's work with that later. Cleaned, fixed, yes, fixed, fix is a synonym of repair. Listened, listened, repaired, repaired, washed, washed, yes, cook, cooked, helped, helped, in the past, talked, yes, talk, in the infinitive, talked, in the past, finished, finished, and played, played. And with tidy, we have a problem. This word finishes or ends in Y. So we change the Y, yes, and we write tidied. So now, if you pay attention to the picture that we worked with the verbs, you have to tell me why, teacher, because play finishes in Y, untidy finishes in Y, and you said that the past of play is played and the past of tidy is different. It is tidied, yes, because we change the Y. Yes, we have to take the Y. You say why? Because the two of them finished in Y. Yes, but we have to pay attention. We need to pay attention to the previous letter that we have. For example, this is a Y, but previously, I mean before the Y, we have a vowel. When we have a vowel here, the letter Y stays there, right? Vowel, and we add ed. Vowel and Y, we add ed. But when we have the Y, yes, and previously, I mean before the Y, we have a consonant, in this case the D, we have to change the Y, yes? So with a vowel and with a consonant, we have different forms of how to make the past simple of a regular verb, right? We are talking about regular verbs. Now that you know everything about regular verbs in the positive sentences, I'm going to give you the homework. Today is Monday the 6th of July, and the homework is for Wednesday, right? For Wednesday the 8th. So you have 2 days, yes, to complete the homework. And on Wednesday we will have a Zoom lesson, right? So we can check this homework. You have to complete from your workbooks page 46. Yes, I will write it down. So homework for Wednesday the 8th, right, of July, you have to complete the workbook, yes, page 46. Everything is about regular verbs in the past, so it's very easy. And from the student's book, page 50, yes, page 50. Here you have to complete with the regular verbs in the past. You have to complete the rule, that is the one that I have just explained, yes. You have to complete some sentences, and we're going to work with some vocabulary about furniture, right? So page 50 from the student's book. Student's book, yes, page 50. Yes, so any question, anything that you need, just send a message to me, to my personal WhatsApp. Okay, bye, see you. This is all for today.